So you want to get into affiliate marketing, but you don't have a website and you've got zero budget for ads? Stick with me for the next few minutes because I am about to lay out the exact blueprint to tap into Quora's massive audience for free and start earning commissions today. And I'll show you the one crucial step you have to take to avoid getting your account banned. A mistake that almost every beginner makes. This is the complete 2025 strategy, so let's get into it. Let's be real for a second. You're here because you know affiliate marketing works. That dream of passive income is alive and well, but the roadblocks are just as real. You don't have a fancy website that costs a fortune. You're definitely not ready to burn cash on Facebook or Google ads praying for a return. So you look for free methods and you land on Quora, a platform with hundreds of millions of visits every month from people asking questions and looking for answers. It seems like a goldmine, right? But then you hear the horror stories. You've probably heard that dropping affiliate links gets your answers deleted and your account banned, sometimes on day one. It's frustrating. The traffic is there, the money is real, but it feels like a secret club and you're stuck on the outside looking in. How do you actually use this incredible source of free, motivated traffic without getting shut down before you even start? The good news: there's a way to do this right, ethically, effectively, and completely for free. I'm going to walk you through the entire playbook that separates the pros from the people who get banned. We're covering it all. First, how to find awesome high-commission products that people on Quora are already itching to buy. Second, I'll reveal the no-website secret weapon for posting links safely. Third, I'll show you how to find golden questions that get thousands of eyeballs every single month. And finally, we'll craft the perfect answer that actually provides value and makes people want to click your link. This is the exact system, so let's do this. First things first, you can't make money without something to sell, but not just anything. Your success on Quora rides on picking the right niche and a quality product. The audience on Quora is huge and covers everything from software and fitness to personal finance and vegan cooking. The key is to avoid garbage products. Platforms like ClickBank can be a minefield. While there are some gems, a lot of the products have a reputation for being low quality, and promoting them will tank your credibility. Instead, look at reputable networks like Share a Sale, Commission Junction, or even go directly to the affiliate programs of software or brands you already know and love. Digital products like software, online courses, or ebooks are often your best bet because they usually have higher commission rates. Here's your action step. Pick a niche you actually have some interest in. It makes writing answers 1,000 times easier and more authentic. Love photography? Find affiliate programs for photo editing software. Into fitness? Look up a solid supplement company or a popular fitness app. For our example, let's go with the video editing software niche. It's a massive market and people are always asking for recommendations. We find a great piece of software, we'll call it Edit Pro, that pays a 30% recurring commission. Perfect, it's high quality, people want it, and the payout is great. Once you're approved for their program, they'll give you your unique affiliate link. Do not post this link anywhere yet. Just copy it, save it, and let's move on to the most critical step in this whole process. All right, this is the part that separates the people who make money from those who get banned. So listen up. The title says, without a website. And that's true. You don't need a complicated paid site. However, pasting your raw affiliate link directly into a Quora answer is the fastest way to get your account flagged or even suspended. While it's not a 100% absolute ban and some links may slip by if the answer is amazing, it's a risky gamble you can't afford to take. The solution? A simple one-page bridge page. This is a free landing page that sits between your Quora answer and the affiliate offer. It does two things. It warms up the visitor by giving them a bit more info, and most importantly, it keeps your direct affiliate link off Quora, which keeps your account safe. Building one is free and takes less than 30 minutes. You can use super simple free tools like Google Sites or Blogger to get this done. Here's the setup. First, head over to a tool like Google Sites and start a new blank site. Then give it a simple, clear headline. The #1 video editor for new YouTubers. Next, write a few quick sentences or bullet points about the product's benefits. You're not writing a novel, just confirming they're in the right place. For Edit Pro, you could say, See why creators are choosing Edit Pro. With its dead simple interface, powerful AI tools, and great price, you can create pro-level videos in minutes. After that, create a big, obvious call to action button. This is where your affiliate link goes. Make the button text something like, "Click here to learn more and try Edit Pro," or "Get access to Edit Pro now." Finally, hit publish. Google Sites will give you a clean, professional-looking URL. This is the link you'll use on Quora. You now have a safe, linkable asset that you control, all without spending a dime. This little page is the secret to doing this the right way. Okay, you've got your product and your secret weapon, the bridge page link. Now it's time to go treasure hunting for what I call golden questions. You want to find questions that already have an audience, not scream into the void. The strategy is dead simple. Go to the Quora search bar and type in phrases related to your niche. For our example, we'd search for best video editing software for beginners, how to edit YouTube videos, cheap video editor, and Edit Pro review. As you scroll through the results, you're looking for questions with a decent number of followers. A question with 20, 50, or even hundreds of followers is a great sign because every follower gets a notification when you post an answer. Instant traffic. Also look for questions that are a little older but still getting views. They often pull in steady traffic from Google. You can also filter by past month or past week to find new questions where you can be one of the first people to give a killer answer. Another power move is to check out Quora spaces. These are like little communities focused on one topic. Join spaces like video editing or YouTube creators and see what people are asking there. It's a direct line to your target audience. Spend a little time building a list of 10 to 15 promising questions. This is your battle plan. The goal isn't to answer one and pray, it's to build a portfolio of answers that work for you around the clock. This is where the magic happens. Remember, people on Quora have an ad blocker built into their brains. They're looking for real help, not a sales pitch. Your answer must provide value first. Never, ever lead with your link. Here's the framework for a perfect answer. First, relate to them. Start by showing you get it. I totally get it. Picking a video editor can be paralyzing with all the options out there. Next, give real, broad advice. This is the heart of your answer. Don't just shill your product. Talk about the topic generally. What should a beginner look for in an editor? Maybe an easy timeline, good export options, built-in tutorials. You might mention 2 or 3 different tools. You could mention the expensive industry standard, a popular free one, and then introduce your product as your #1 pick. Now you can bring up your affiliate product, framing it as your personal honest recommendation. While a tool like Adobe Premiere Pro is incredible, it's often overkill for a new creator, and free options can be limiting. Honestly, the one I recommend to most people starting out is Edit Pro. It just hits the sweet spot. Next, explain the why. Quickly tell them why you recommend it, connecting it to their needs. It has a super intuitive drag-and-drop editor, but it's still packed with features you can grow into. The AI audio fixing tool alone is a game changer. Finally, it's time for the link. Weave it in naturally. Don't just slap the URL down. Say something like, "The team put together a great video overview and a free trial on their site. You can check it out here to see if it's the right fit for you." Then, hyperlink the text. Check it out here with your Google Sites bridge page URL. And look, if writing isn't your thing, you can use an AI tool like ChatGPT to help you get a draft going. But for the love of all that is good, edit it, add your personality, and make sure it sounds like a real person who genuinely wants to help. A robotic answer will get ignored every time. All right, before you hit post, let's do a quick pre-flight check. Take 5 minutes to polish your Quora profile. Use a real photo of yourself. Write a credible bio that hints at your expertise, like digital creator and video editing nerd. Make it look like a real person lives there, not a faceless brand. A solid profile builds instant trust. Once your answer is ready, post it, but don't just post and ghost. Check back for comments. If people ask follow-up questions, answer them. Engaging with people builds your authority and often gets you more upvotes, which pushes your answer to the top. The last piece of the puzzle is consistency. This isn't a lottery ticket, it's a long-term play. Just spend 15 to 20 minutes a day on this. Find one question, write one great answer. Over time, that consistency builds an army of little assets that generate traffic, clicks, and commissions 24/7. And that's it. That's the entire 5-step playbook for using Quora for affiliate marketing in 2025 without a paid website. We covered finding a killer product, building your free bridge page to stay out of trouble, sniffing out golden questions, writing answers that actually help, and staying consistent. But wait, I have one last pro tip for you, and this is important. Don't just create an account and immediately start posting links. Spend your first week on Quora just being a good human. Go answer 5 to 10 questions in your niche without any links at all. This seasons your account and signals to Quora's algorithm that you're here to contribute, not just to sell. After that, you're clear to start using the bridge page strategy. This method flat out works. It's free, it's scalable, and it turns Quora into a real, legitimate source of affiliate income. If this blueprint was helpful, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. And if you have any questions or want to share the niche you're jumping into, drop a comment below. I promise I read and reply to every single one. For even more strategies on affiliate marketing and making money online, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's next. Now, go take action.